In this video, we will cover building a harvest configuration. Building configurations are important as combine settings and calibrations are linked to them. This allows operators to switch between crop types and head types without having to recalibrate the machine each time. Begin by tapping the Harvest app on the home screen. Configurations may also be built through the Setup app on the home screen. On the Operating Configuration Selection screen, tap the green plus. Since we do not currently have a combine entered in the display, tap the green plus. The combine we will build in this configuration is a New Holland CR9070. Select New Holland as the make and CR9070 as the model. Tap the next arrow to proceed. The next step of the wizard is to enter the antenna offsets. While the display contains defaults for this machine, it is best practice to measure the location of the GPS antenna. Tap the next arrow. Enter the measured distance in inches for the header offset. For this example, we are going to enter 200 inches. Tap the next arrow. The next step of the wizard is to edit the harvester name. If you choose to rename the machine, tap the keyboard icon next to the current name. Tap the green checkbox. This window confirms the vehicle that was just built. Tap the next arrow. We will now build the header for this configuration. Tap the green plus. Select Row Head from the drop-down menu. Tap the next arrow. Enter the number of rows and row spacing. For this example, we have an 8-row head on 30-inch spacing. Tap the plus or minus to adjust these parameters in either direction. Tap the next arrow. You now may make any edits to the name of the header. Tap the green checkbox. This window confirms the header that was just built. Tap the next arrow. The speed source window allows you to choose among speed sources and to calibrate any auxiliary channels. The primary speed source should always be set to display GPS if you have a GPS receiver connected. The backup source will be set to speed sensor module, and the auxiliary device will be wheels. You will also see the auxiliary channel calibration. See the Ag Leader YouTube page for a video tutorial about this calibration. Tap the next arrow. This window confirms the name for the entire configuration. Tap the green checkbox. The Configuration Setup window for the new configuration is where settings and calibrations can be adjusted and initiated. Tap the green checkbox. You are now ready to begin harvest. Verify the correct configuration is selected and tap the next arrow. Select the appropriate growing season, grower, farm, and field and tap the next arrow. Select an existing product or create new by tapping the green plus. We will use corn for this example. Tap the next arrow. You can add planting varieties for tracking. If planting products were previously entered on this display, varieties with the same crop type will automatically populate this list. If planting data is available or needs to be imported, we can do that from this screen as well. If no planting data is present, a variety can manually be selected from the drop-down. Tap the green checkbox. You are now ready to begin the harvest calibration processes that are needed prior to harvesting. Please refer to your Harvest Feature User Guide for more information on harvest calibrations. For more information on setup and settings for the In-Command Go display, use this QR code to access the operator's manual. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.